Let's model this simple pickle. Start by adding a mesh circle. Enter edit mode and extrude the circle to form the shape of the model. Extrude the very top to create a little branch. Fill the bottom of the mesh. Add some levels of subdivisions. Make sure we have enough vertices to sculpt the mesh. Before going into further sculpting, we can change the shape to make it more imperfect. In sculpt mode, let's use the drawing brush. Sculpt the little bumps all around the pickle. Now it's time to add some texture. I used a noise and a color ramp. You can use a bump map if necessary. Add a third color to the color ramp to make it more realistic. Feel free to try different ways of texturing.